For the second straight year, the Bureau of Safety and Environmental Enforcement, the Ocean Energy Safety Institute, and the University of Houston held an extremely successful technology challenge. The challenge was centered around raising awareness for STEM programs, excite and introduce students to new technologies so that they can pursue careers in the energy and technology industry. Some of these technologies introduced are not often available until students are at a college level. The challenge allows students to explore an area of study that they normally would not have the opportunity to. The day started off with the champions welcoming the excited students with Eye of the Tiger blaring over the loud system. Some of these students are lucky enough to already be in petroleum academies focused on the energy industry STEM, which BSEE believes are the future leaders in the energy industry. Before the action got started, statements were made by members of BSEE, OESI, and IPAA PESA. They encouraged the students to take this opportunity to see how a new technology can help them in the future. One of the main reasons this technology challenge was such a success were the students. They brought so much energy to STEM topics and showed enthusiasm to develop new solutions for the future using the technology they were competing with. The students were visited by graduates from the University of Houston and representatives from OESI a month prior to the challenge. They were given material to study for quizzes throughout the day, and a pilot and co-pilot were named in order to pilot the remote-controlled helicopter for the challenge's finale. This created a buzz and an excitement to study to prepare them for their big day. The university's football field created an electric atmosphere while the students worked as a team to assemble a schematic, which then used a piezoelectric sensor to charge a battery, which was finally used in the helicopter challenge. While final touches were put on the team schematics, members of BSEE and OESI took the time to talk to parents and teachers about the importance of STEM programs. Safety and environmental safety is such a valuable message, and it was great to have an informative session to discuss how we as a community can get the students involved at an early age. The first half of the challenge takes place in the competition room with quizzes, technology brainstorming, and a brief presentation on how piezoelectric sensor technology can be used in different ways. The second half of the day is used for the students to combine as a group and watch a competition as pilots use their skills to fly and land a remote-control helicopter safely. As the students walked onto the football field, they had a blast setting up their helicopters and participating in the challenge of maneuvering it up and down the field. At the end of the day, points were tallied and a school was crowned the BSEE Tech Challenge champion. Even though there were only a few winners, they all left excited in hopes for their schools to do it again next year.